Hey, they even have ice cream.
She told you about the ice cream, but yes, they do have the ice cream right here. And they have the sundaes. Bam. I would get some, but I'm not cool right now. I'm drinking moonshine.
Look, said we love dogs. This is the thing, is everybody want to take their dogs everywhere. So, I'm gonna get my little basket. Grab my basket and let's go. Yes, they have everything in the case. Even these, but just taking a walk around. They have a little bit of everything. I think I will get some Russell Silver coffee just because we're in the building. I didn't know they sold that. And a little bit of everything. They got sugar-free. Buy 3, get 1 free. Whole wall of sugar-free things. A whole wall. They have something for everybody. And now they have their Christmas stuff out. Let's see. So got their Santa stuff together. Oh, everything is buy 3, get 1 free. Oh, yeah, a little bit of jelly beans.
All the jelly beans you need.
Just gonna take a walk around the store and show you guys. And then I'm gonna show you my favorite section. I haven't showed it just yet. Cause I'm here for all the discounts that they can give me. They do have merch. So if you would like to get a shirt, they have one for you. More Christmas stuff. Something for the kiddos. More Christmas items is what they have here. All right. This is that little gift bags. You want to get something for your family. Yeah. Santa stock at $19.99, filled with chocolates. If that's what you like. So then this is the wall full of all the regular candies. And then again, that is the buy 3, get 1 free. So I'll give you an example. This is the Pecan Delight. It's got the pecans are caramel and luscious milk chocolate. One bag is $17.99. Okay. So I'm about to go back to my favorite area. Ain't that right, husband? He don't care about chocolates like I do. Oh, would you like to hold it for me? Oh, okay. Oh, this is my video. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we're back here. This is kind of like the clearance area. So this is where the discount stuff is. So you'll be able to find stuff. So this little sampler is $45.99 if you want everything. But I'll give you an example. Let me see, what is this? Oh, this is the holiday chocolate bag. It's $17.99, which I don't think that is like a deal. So let's go over here to the Valentine's section, because after Valentine's Day, they have to put that stuff somewhere. So look, they even have Halloween things. So let's start in the Valentine's section. So this little heart here, the Russell Silver heart, if you want to get ready for your Valentine, look at that, it's half off. It's $5.99. So it's a good place to come. Always come back to the clearance room. So then this Valentine stuff here, look, $14.99. It's still good for your Valentine. Or for the Valentine that you may want. You can shop now and just put it in the closet. Because if you get ready, you don't have to stay ready. So all this back here is kind of half off. But this is not what I'm looking for. Yeah. Oh, these Pecan Delights here. $9.99 for that package. Remember the other one was $17.99. Oh, 5-pound box. Originally $99.99. It's $49.99. Let's see. Ah, here we go. And they do have bloopers. It says sometimes candies created in our kitchen are slightly less than perfect looking, but they still taste the same. So you can get those. So a box, they $13.99 each, or 2 for $26.99, which I think is a great deal. Let's see. Go back here because you got Halloween, Easter, you got all the holidays back here. See what the prices are like. Oh, now this is what I'm talking about. So this is a bag of peppermint discs for $6.99. What are they really? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it's just a white bag and all this nondescript. I have to look those up. I think I might want some of those. Now here is some baskets. What is this from? This is probably from the fall. Oh yeah, because it's candy corn and stuff over here like that. For the candy corn lovers, they get something for us, aka me. That's $3.99. I think I might buy a bag today. Don't hate on me because I like candy corn. It's not the norm. So now look at this. So this Easter box is 99 cents. But how, what is it? I know it's not this whole box for 99 cents. It can't possibly be. But we gonna see. I'm gonna see if they'll let me buy it. The whole box for 99 cents. Oh, I bet you it's just this one. Just one of these. Right. 1.5 ounces. This has got the little bunnies and everything. Okay. So whatever I settle on, I'll come back and let you guys know. Stop the video for now.
Make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like button, leave some comments.
Yeah, and where else should we go visit? And
Yeah.
leave a review for you.
Yep, let us know. Also, check out my YouTube channel, Comedian Big Funny. You ain't think my name was Big Funny just because I look funny or something like that. No, I'm a comedian. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
3-pound box of chocolate. Bop, 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 bop. Russell. No Simmons. And they got the milk chocolate rabbit. Got the chocolate rabbit, the chocolate bunny, right next to the snow bunny. They celebrate 90 years. Yep. 100 years of chocolate. Ooh, feels nice. What is this, velvet? Is there a heart? Is there a heart in the house tonight? Stove up. Get chocolate, let her know that you understand. They definitely got all the chocolate that you need in here, definitely.
So we asked the workers if they wanted to talk a little bit. They don't want to be famous. So it looks like their hours are Monday through Saturday, 9 to 7. And then on Sundays, they're open from 10 to 7. They're open 7 days a week, so come check them out.
Yes.